I have a Insignia Fire TV here, and I have an issue where only the power button works. Every other button here doesn't work, okay? And the reason is because you need to pair or basically repair. I'm gonna give you 3 ways to pair your remote, okay? So the first way is if you have one of the enhanced Fire TV remotes, the only thing you gotta do is go ahead and pop the back for the batteries, and you should have a pair button here. Just go and tap on that and it should pair with the TV, okay? However, this Insignia Fire TV, I have the standard remote that came with the TV. So now I have to go with option number 2 because I don't have a pair button over here inside the where the battery is. So the first way, or the second way we're going to do now is we're going to press and hold this home button. You want to press and hold for 30 seconds. So ready, 1, 2, 3, point at it, press and hold. Do not let go of that home button. It's supposed to be for about 10 seconds, but just hold it for 30 seconds here, just in case, okay? Just keep holding it. I got some kind of, we can't detect your remote, no problem. I'm gonna hold this for 30, yeah, see it says 10 seconds here, but just hold it for 30 seconds just in case. Okay, come on, 30 seconds. Okay, 30 seconds, go ahead and let go, and then see if it works. Oh, it's not working. Okay, no problem, we're gonna go to the third way now. So what the third way is, instead of like press and holding one button, what we're gonna do is we're gonna press and hold 3 buttons. It's going to be the back button, the left on the navigation, and the menu button here with the 3 horizontal lines. So back, left, menu. So we're going to go ahead and press these 3 buttons, point at TV and hold it for 30 seconds. Okay, back, left, menu. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Press and hold. Press and hold. It's supposed to be for about 10 seconds, but just hold for 30 seconds as well, just in case. Okay, so keep holding these 3 buttons. Make sure it's pointing at the TV. Keep holding, wait for 30 seconds. And then as soon as that 30 seconds is over, go ahead and let go, and let's see if this got it. Yep, it works, okay? Now, the thing is, if you guys did all those steps and it's still not working for you, what I want you to do is go ahead and just take out your batteries and then put them back in, and then try the press and hold the home button for 30 seconds. If that doesn't work, then do the 3 button combination, press and hold, see if that works. If it still doesn't work, what I want you to do is go ahead and take your old batteries out and replace them with 2 different batteries, and then start off the same way. Press and hold the home button, see if that works. If that doesn't work, then try the 3 buttons, okay? Anyways, if it worked for you guys, give me a thumbs up and let me know what step worked for you. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. We should have a high success rate, at least like an 80%, all right? Good luck, guys.